the first process that has to happen before even using cross-browser testing is launching your hub. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing, he or she has to do hooking different nodes. At least bare minimum one node should be available. Okay, least least is one. Least is one. This is the second thing that has to happen. Third thing, once you launch the hub, once you hook the node to it, you will get the location of the hub. Okay, so basically it's a URL to which your scripts have to call. Okay, URL to which scripts have to call will be provided by your hub. I'll show you. Don't worry about that. Same way, hub will also provide you URL to which nodes get hooked. Okay, there will be two URLs. I'll show you that when I run. I'll show you. Okay, after hooking the different node, okay, then comes your scripting part. Scripting part from automation engineer. Okay, so in scripting part, sorry, my spelling error. Yes, see it is. Okay, so in scripting part, again, it's a multiple step process. Okay, the first step is to I write it as A. The first step is to configure your script to hub URL. So you see, I wrote something here. URL to which scripts have to call the same URL should be configured in your script. I'll write it and show you. You'll understand. So the next step is to set up the platform. What is platform for you? It is like, what kind of machine you want to execute, what kind of machine OS you want, okay, what kind of browser you want, okay, what kind of version you want, etc. There are many things that you can set up. Okay, that is the second step. Third step is to use RWD, or use remote WebDriver class, WebDriver class for instantiating the browser. Okay, and then rest of the code is continuation of your